Now that we've added the rules of double arrow out, double arrow in, and wedge out, we need to update our rules for the assumption dependence column to say how to deal with these kinds of statements, with these derivations. So the assumption rule is the same as it's been. Premises and PAs depend on themselves. Now we've added things to the standard rule because the rules of double arrow in, double arrow out, wedge in, and wedge out all come under the standard rule. So now the standard rule says that lines justified by arrow out, ampersand in, ampersand out, double arrow in, double arrow out, wedge in, and wedge out all depend on whatever their justifying lines depend on. And then we still have the arrow in rule, which says that a line justified by arrow in depends on whatever its consequent line depends on, except for the provisional assumption that is its antecedent. And then we still have the reductio rule, which says that a line justified by either dash in or dash out depends on whatever the SFC line depends on, except for the provisional assumption that is the opposite of the goal line. So that's how the assumption dependence column, so this is now the complete assumption dependence column for propositional logic. There will be no wait, I take it back. When we add the derived rules, we'll have to add them into the assumption dependence column rule. So this is basically the complete set, but we'll add a little bit when we get to the derived rules, which is in the next module. And then when we start doing predicate logic, then we'll need to update it again.